Hey everybody, it's Matt the Garden Guy here. I got my line right here. I got my tomatoes. I'll show you what I'm doing with them. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're putting line up to the top of there. And then we're going straight down with two of them and securing them down on the bottom with a little clip. So we're going to go ahead and start this one right here. Start at the top. Alright, so I got my twine going from post to post. Going to go ahead and grab my twine here. I'm going to loop it across that and loop it across the other one. And then bring all of the line straight down to the plant. Then we're going to bring it back up and put a knot in there. And do it again. This hopefully will secure it to the top string. Now here on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and just cut it off and go up to the top and do a knot again. Now I got both my string down here. I'm going to grab my little clip here. I'm going to bring these both down. I'm going to put a knot in here, tie it onto it. Do a double knot here. Now that I have my knot, I'm going to put it close. A little too tight. Now that I have my knot on this, I'm going to put it close as it can to the main stem going down. And there you go. Alright, so now that it's nice and tight in there, we're going to go ahead and start chopping off the bottom stems of this plant. Get in there, cut that off. Get the one off there on the bottom as well. And then come over to this side and go ahead and chop that one off. We got a sucker in here too. We're going to get that sucker out. And go through this and make sure we have no other suckers in there. Just get them all pulled out right now. And we want to try to wrap this tomato plant around the string as best as possible. It'll get a lot easier once this plant gets a little bit bigger to start forming it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these tomato plants. And I planted these plants so tight together because I'm doing this method of going straight up, not making them nice and bushy, because they'll go straight up. I have beef, Roma, and cherry. After I'm all done, I'm going to grab one of these stakes as well and put it as close as possible to the plant to help give it a little bit more stability as it goes up. Hey, continue to follow me. Hit that like, subscribe. You can see the status on how these guys keep growing up. I'll be posting some updates as they go, as I come out here and help these tomato plants go up the string. And by doing this, I'm hoping that I'll have multiple layers of tomato plants. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please give this a thumbs up. And next time, I'll talk to you later and keep growing.